So Google just released AI mode globally, and this is a feature that is quite similar to Perplexity AI, but this feature is available for free for anyone. And for some users, it also comes with some new agentic features. Basically, they can start using AI mode to do something for them. For example, they can use it to book a ticket for a concert, or maybe try to find some local event, or maybe book a flight from one city to another. Basically, it can get things done, and you just need to provide the instruction to AI. But bear in mind is right now, the agentic features are only accessible if you are a US citizen, and also you are paying the $249 per month subscription, which is very expensive to be able to enjoy these new agentic features. So right now, for most users, this AI mode can only give you some relevant answers. But I think that is enough because, as I said before, this is quite similar to Perplexity AI. But of course, this is completely free. Now, the question is, how do you actually access this new AI mode? Well, there are two ways you can do it. First, you can navigate to, let's say, google.com, and then you can click this button that says AI mode. And there you go. Now you are in AI mode. So let me just give you one example of a prompt that you can send to AI mode. So here I'm going to do research about the prices of iPhone 16 Pro across some popular stores in the US. Let me just send this message and just wait for AI to do the research. It's going to read tons of websites and give me the summary of the answer. And there you go. So this is the answer. And as you can see, it's quite similar to typical AI chatbot. You can see the answer, and sometimes you can actually check the link, and you can double check if there is something that you want to see further. Then the links are available on the right side of the screen. And also you can follow up. You can ask any more question, or you can clarify something, or you can change the topic. That's something that you can do. And for the US citizen, there is actually a feature called deep research that they can try in AI mode. I think that's really cool because AI will do even deeper research, although it's going to take a bit longer, but usually the answer is going to be a lot better. So that's just one way to access AI mode. Another way is by just using Google normally and then you switch to AI mode. For example, let's say I want to get the cheapest, let's say iPhone 15 Pro. And now you'll see this option that says AI mode. Click it. And there you go. Now you'll get the answer from AI mode. So there are two ways you can do it. You can go to Google and click AI mode, or you can just use Google normally and then switch to AI mode. Either way, this is a fantastic tool for anyone that wants to save time and want to get a quick answer from the internet. So that's basically a few things that you need to know about AI mode from Google. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.